Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of like separate and extract the first name, middle name, and the last name from like a full name on Google Sheets. And to do that, you are just going to go to the to like the cell and type the equal sign, and then type down split open parentheses, sorry, and then select the first cell that has a full name, comma, quotation mark, 1 space, quotation mark, and then close parentheses, and then select enter. And as you can see, it splits it in 3 parts. And then to kind of bring the formula down, just select all of it and select this over here. And as you can see, it separates it for all of the names right here. And that's pretty much it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!